you're going to have an opportunity to see something that I, a long time ago at another school in Seminole County, had an opportunity to see, something called a mock DUI.
What we do is we put on a staged crash. The scene is a young man picks up his date for prom. Mom and dad send them off after a few pictures, and unfortunately the young man chooses to drink and drive, which results in a crash. During the crash, he ends up killing his date.
Hello, sir. I'm bleeding. Delaney.
Fire rescue. Help! There's been a terrible crash. Please hurry. What is the address of the emergency? We're at the high school near the football field. What's the problem? Tell me exactly what happened. 2 cars crashed. Please come quick.
Fire department and rescue personnel have to come in. They have to assess who's hurt the worst, if there's any fatalities. Hopefully there's not.
It gives us an opportunity to show them what we go through on a daily basis, and the message that's delivered to them is it's not just the patients that are involved and someone got into a wreck and someone's hurt, but there's other lives that are affected, not just their families, but the firefighters and law enforcement. You know, this is something that affects us every single time we go on a call.
The fire department is unable to retrieve the 2 injured kids here in the red car, so they're going to have to utilize the jaws of life to open up the car and try to get them out.
I got off of work at Publix one night and decided to go to a party when I did not plan on drinking, but after being there, I did end up having a couple beers. Deciding to go home afterwards, I was involved in a 1-car crash where my truck ended up flipping 5 times. Neither me or my friend were wearing our seatbelts, and we both got ejected out of the windows. And I ended up landing on my neck, which broke my neck in 5 places. That ended up paralyzing me from the neck down at 18 years old for the rest of my life.
6 different times in my career, I've been dispatched to a parent's house to let them know that their son or daughter has been killed in a DUI crash. And I'm telling you right now, it is the hardest thing that I've ever had to do in law enforcement.
Someone should have told him not to drink and drive. If only they would have told him, Mom, I might still be alive. I had only one question before I said goodbye. If I didn't drink and drive, Mom, why was I the one who died?
If they can make one good decision not to drink and drive, I think if we can affect one life here, one person that actually steps into those shoes and says, you know what, I'm not going to do this while I'm driving, I think we've won.